Hi, this video is to show how to copy over the materials for both Math 110 and Math 120 so that you can start looking at it if you haven't used it before, or actually start preparing your course, because these are the templates that we're using to get you started. You don't have to use what they are. You can use whatever you want, but this is a great place to start. So first, looking up here at the courses you're teaching, you may or may not have anything up here. Either way, click the admin page and then add a new course. I'm just going to put Testing Elementary as the name of this course. I'm going to delete it later. You can put any course name here, but this is something that your students will be watching. Similarly, the enrollment key, you can put whatever you want, but the students will need that enrollment key in order to enroll in your course. I'm not going to put anything because I'm just playing around and testing this. And then finally, down at the bottom, start with a blank course. So when I hit submit, it's going to give me a course ID. It's telling me that, hey, you didn't have an enrollment key, but for me that's okay. And now I'm going to enter the course, and right away it says, you don't have anything here. Do you want to copy from a course? I could go over here and copy, but I'm going to click this one because it was the first one I saw. And then ideally, Skyline College is your group. If it's not, I think under others courses you'd be able to find it. I'm honestly not sure. Maybe under template courses. Probably not. So I'm not sure if Skyline College is not your group. But Skyline College is mine, so I see Cindy Moss. And Sean has some stuff too, but I think sending everybody for both courses to the same place kind of makes sense. So go to Cindy Moss. And there's two. There's Math 110 template course and Math 120 template course. I'm going to show the Math 110 first. So I click on Math 110 template course, select the course items, and I'm going to copy everything. I'm going to copy the entire course. And if there's something else that I don't like in here, I'll delete it. And if there's something I want to add, I can add it. But when I hit copy, everything in the template course is coming through, including downloading the PDF of the book, a link to Lulu, different homework discussion board, whatever. And immediately the students can go in here and start going to a particular section and reading the textbook, watching videos, doing homework, and all that kind of stuff. So just with that, we all of a sudden have a course called Testing Elementary that we're looking at as an instructor right now. You can look at it as a student and see how that's different. As the instructor, you can change things. You can go in here and say, oh, you know what, I want to modify what this looks like and play around with it. If you're new to MyOpenMath, the two places you might want to go is this Help button up here, which has a bunch of stuff. But then also back on home, I like the training course. There's all sorts of videos that help walk you through how to get started. Well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back here. Here's my Testing Elementary course if I'm creating a course or looking at it later. But I actually want to delete that. I don't need that course right now, so I'm going to delete it. And add Testing Intermediate without an enrollment key, starting with a blank course. Go ahead and enter this course. And this time when I copy the items, I'm going to go down to Cindy, template course, and this time it's asking for an enrollment key, and the enrollment key is just Math 120, nice and easy to remember. So I select the course items, copy those items over, and here we go. One thing that's nice about this one is one of the first things the students do is do a MyOpenMath orientation. I'm thinking we probably should put this in the 110 as well, but it walks the students, it's in a homework assignment, but it walks them through, how do I do this in MyOpenMath? How do I type square roots in MyOpenMath? And all that kind of stuff. So great if you have any questions. Cindy's a great resource. I'm a great resource, or maybe I'm not that great, but at least Cindy's a great resource. And again, these help buttons, that's how I learned, is just by playing around with it. There's a lot of things that you can do as you set up your gradebook and all of that. So hopefully this was helpful. I'm going to delete out this testing intermediate, and have a great day.